Weather folklore we can hear now and again, many different sayings that actually have some sort of meaning to them. And with that, Fox 44's meteorologist Haley Fitzpatrick explains an ancient science saying in this week's Weatherwise.
There's an old wives' tale that says, red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in the morning, sailor's warning. Have you ever wondered first, well, what does that mean? And second, is it true? Well, this concept can be traced back as far as the Bible and has been passed on by word of mouth for centuries. But before meteorologists were meteorologists, people would make forecasts based on observations of the sky, animals, and nature. So there's a couple factors that play into this. So let's start out with the first one, the reflection of the sun. During the daytime, the sky appears blue due to the scattering of blue light reflecting through all the dust and particles in the atmosphere. And when the sun rises and sets, the reason why we see a beautiful colored sky is because the sun is set at an angle so low in the sky that the light travels at a longer distance and through the thickest part of the atmosphere, and it reflects a red, orange, sometimes pinkish color. Second thing to know, for this to make some sort of sense, storm systems in the mid-latitudes always come from the west and travel to the east. Red sky at night, sailor's delight, suggests a storm system has moved out of your area. It's headed off to the east. You can tell when the sun sets in the west, high pressure is off to the west and heading east towards you. The light is reflected through a highly concentrated atmosphere filled with dirt and dust particles, which makes it appear red at sunset. Red sunsets equals nice weather is on its way. On the opposite hand, red sky in the morning, sailors take warning. When the sun rises from the east, high pressure is also to your east, headed further to the east, away from your area. And remember how I said storm systems come from the west? A red sky in the morning indicates a sunrise's light reflecting off the moisture-enriched clouds moving in from the west to the east. This, in fact, brings poor sailing weather as rain is on its way. Therefore, sailors take warning. If you have any weather questions that need to be answered, reach out to me through social media or email them to me. Your question may just be featured on our next Weatherwise segment. In the studio, I'm meteorologist Haley Fitzpatrick, Fox 44 News.